Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2014 Jeep Compass Latitude High Altitude Edition, stock number B9754PA. 50,000 miles in this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Compass brand new, Granite Crystal Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Includes roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seats fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This high altitude edition has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, one with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, as well as heating and air conditioning, heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, 115-volt outlet, perfect for charging media devices, spacious glove box, and moonroof control over. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 158 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.